Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and look, for the first time ever I have a diamond painting cup, people. I've never done anything like this before. It's from that fabulous company Art Studio. Now I did order this online purely because I've paused Come Shop With Me's at the moment because I'm upgrading a few things. And obviously I want to cut that train fare at the moment. And with this, it's a mix and match, so you never know if you're going to get the mosaic one, which I think is this one, or whether you're going to get the flower one. I'm really tempted to order another one, but I've got this horrible feeling that I'm going to end up with the same thing. If I do, then I do. But at the moment, we're looking about the third week in May for Come Shop With Me's to come back, because we're coming to the end of the upgrade, so it won't be that much longer. But as you can see here, $3.99. I've took it out of the box because it with the range they send ridiculous oversized boxes, and it'd be impossible to get this on camera. So on the back here you get yourself your diamond painting cup. It feels quite heavy, so yeah, it feels really nice quality. Diamond painting sheet, sorting tray, diamond painting pen, diamond rhinestones, and the silicone clay. So in here we have a cup. I cannot believe we're doing a cup, people. Like, I've never ever tried this before. This is the thing with diamond painting is, I don't know about you folks, but I'm always looking to explore other things in diamond painting. I've done notebooks, I've done bags, and now we can finally tick off the cup on the bucket list. So, I mean, you can never have enough cups. So, if I end up with the same thing again, then I can always give it away to a family member or something. This looks absolutely, oh wow, there's actually a oh, how cool is that? You've got a like a close your lid thing, so you know, if your coffee or tea gets hot or gets too cold, you can just like close that, push that aside, drink a bit, and then shut it to keep the warmth in. Feels really nice quality. It is plastic by the looks of it, and in here this would be, yeah, this is what is very, very exciting. Look at this. So this is what we diamond paint. It's on like a, it's not acrylic, because acrylic would be hard and not flexible. This is like a sort of plastic sort of a material. But look at the colours in that. I mean, it just looks like upside down balloons, doesn't it? I mean, if you were to turn it that way, it looks like all different coloured balloons. But yeah, this is what you would diamond paint. And obviously I am scared stiff that once I put the drink in, because obviously when we take the lid off, obviously that's gone into there like so, right? So you screw it up, but I'm just so nervous that I'm gonna like somehow leak it through. Looking up here, it looks as if the drink goes into here, and then obviously the only bit that you do take in and out is obviously the you know, this beacon thing here. But I assume when you wash it up, you keep that in there, you unscrew this and give that a rinse rather than the actual bit in there. So obviously if you was to diamond paint that, you would have to take that out first, and then obviously if you wanted to rinse that out, you can, but obviously let it dry first. I don't think we're going to get, I was wondering if we got some like adhesive so that we can stitch these two parts, you know, so that we can actually like go like that and seal that gap, because on the edge here you don't have that thing, but I assume there may be some adhesive there that we can just, you know, suction that onto there. But looking at this, let's have a look here. This stick looks very impressive. Oh yeah, that's a nice stick, people. Now obviously if you are in the range, you can pick you know, you pick the one you want, but I'm really happy with this. I think this is cool. Then as you unscrew that, you get a lovely surprise of jewels there. You get yourself a standard boat and no bags this time. Wow, that's a shocker for Art Studio. They normally provide bags. And then inside here, yeah, so you would just put that into there and then take it out and wash that out. But yeah, that's that. And then we have our jewels in here, which look absolutely stunning. These are really lovely pastels. We've got white, a yellow, a pink, a dark pink, a lilac, a sort of purpley colour, and that gorgeous mint blue. Absolutely stunning. So this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, that would obviously tighten up, and then obviously, as you can see, I assume you've got, right, yeah. This is a double locking mechanism. So this lock here locks it onto there. And then you've got another lock here that undoes that one. So yeah, obviously looking at this from the product, I would suggest taking that out and washing it separately, because I don't think you would need to wash that, would you? I mean, obviously this is the bit you drink from, and then it just sits into there, doesn't it? So I can't see why you would need to wash that as well. But yeah, this is a stunning piece of art. Look at that. So I'm going to put these back into here so that they don't get all screwed up and stuff. But as you can see, that is absolutely stunning. I've actually got a nice coffee cup. But when I do diamond painting, it's nice and big as well, so probably about a litres worth, I don't know for sure, but it's very heavy. It feels really nice quality, and it's quite a hard plastic by the looks of it as well. Now, the last two things that I got was a couple of stickers as well. I'm forever using these, and I can't get enough of them. I always use these, so I'm constantly ordering these, so absolutely stunning. I think they do another pack as well where they're like, I think it's 100 on a sheet or so, but yeah, I just thought I'd get these and get this lovely cup. I'm actually getting a bit like getting back into that order vibe again now, where I keep ordering with the range. I like to go in the shop and see what they've got, but when you weigh up the costs, I pay £12, near enough £12.40 now to get to Chelmsford. That's just unfair. Whereas if I order, if I place like delivery, it's only costing me like, I think it's like £4.99. So I am looking about cutting, you know, perhaps doing the come shop with me's once a month, because I seem to like, you know, save money by doing it through delivery, or, you know, click and collect. But yeah, it's train fares getting beyond a joke at the moment, and I'm not one for paying train fare. I hate paying it, but it has to be paid or you get a fine. So yeah, I'm really not one for paying it out fair and stuff, but it is what it is. But yeah, do get yourself this, because I really love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. As you can see here, it goes into there, and it's from that lovely company Art Studio. It sort of makes you wonder what else are they going to bring out in diamond painting. I mean, I can't think of anything else I could possibly try in diamond painting stuff. I mean, I've done notebooks, bags, key rings, coasters, canvases. I think probably bookmarks would be my last sort of thing to try out, but I would like to try a tissue box as well, or like a wallet. If they could do like a men's wallet in diamond painting, that would be quite nice. But I think it's just got a lovely, beautiful colour, absolutely stunning, and something for your picnic table if you go for a picnic, perhaps in the summer with your friends or something. You know, the wooden benches that you can get. You know, take that along, have a coffee on the bench with your friends, and you know, have a you know, like sandwich or so, and you know, really, really good. I'm really happy with that. But yeah, as I say, they do come mix and match, so obviously you're never guaranteed what one you're gonna get. But yeah, absolutely love it. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell if you haven't done so already, and you'll be alerted when a video pops up on the channel. And I'll see you again soon for another range unboxing. Take care, guys. Bye bye now.